How to upload Canva video to YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this tutorial, we will learn how we can upload Canva video to YouTube. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in into Canva, import your video, and you have to do some editing on the Canva. Once you're done with your project, now if you want to share this video or if you want to upload this video in your YouTube, here's what you can do. First of all, you have to export or save your edited project or video in your device. For that, navigate to top right corner, click on share button. Once you are here, click on download. Now select the file type, the quality, and once you're done with that, click on download. Now you have to wait until your video gets downloaded in your device. Now once the video is downloaded, you have to go to your download at the top right corner and here you have your video. Now to upload this video in your YouTube, open up YouTube in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. If not, switch your account. So once you're on your account, now you have to click on this create button at the top right corner. And here it says upload video, click on it. Your dashboard, here you have to select the file where you could simply drag and drop the file. If not, you have to select the file and choose your file. So from here, head towards your downloads where you could find your video. So this is the video that I have downloaded recently. Select your video, click on open. Now you have to complete the steps where you have to enter your details. So make sure that you add your details carefully, scroll through it and provide each of the information that is asked to you. Once you're done with that, you'll be taken into next step where you'll be asked to enter the video element. Here you can add subtitles, you can add your end screen, add cards, so you can do that. After that, you'll be taken into this page where your video will be checked for any other issue that may restrict the visibility and all of the copyright issues under the same. And at the last step, you'll be taken into visibility where you want to make it private or public or unlisted. So you can choose one from here. And once you are finally done with all of the steps here, all you gotta do is click on share and then this video will be uploaded in your YouTube account or your YouTube channel. So that's how you upload Canva video on YouTube, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.